Hi, how to print a PDF file, different pages to different trays. So what I want to do is drag and drop my file across. Now this is a 12-page PDF. I want to print it to a Xerox Workcenter 5855. So what I need to do first, I need to download the PPD file. It's actually going to print the PDF as Postscript, and it's going to insert the tray commands into the Postscript file and print it out. So first I need to search for the PPD file, and that takes me to the Xerox web page. Driver downloads, I need the generic PPD. So I've downloaded that already and extracted it, ready. So now I can go on right mouse, processing setup. I can enable PDF to Postscript conversion. Now I can select my page range that I want to print. So say if I want to print page say 1 to 2, and then I choose the PPD file there. So I want the 5855, and that populates the tray box below. So then you can select whatever tray you want for that, and then save and exit. So if you printed that now, it would only print the first 2 pages. So what I want to do, I want to print the rest of the document on another tray. So go into processing setup, same, and go on to input tray, say 2, save and exit. So that's all set now. If you scroll across, you can see the processing parameters there. What I've selected for a quick view. So it will send it as 2 segments. I've just checked that I actually set the pages, which I didn't, 3 to 9999. So that's going to print 3 to the end. So that'll print 1 to 2 and then 3 to the end. Click print. So you can see that it's named the files as well. So that's the first 2 pages, and that's the rest of the document set. It will actually, when you do a properties on it, it would actually show what the default is, not the actual what's in the Postscript, because the Postscript is commands for the actual printer, so it's actually in the code. So what it says in the driver, you just ignore it. So that will print pages 1 to 2 and then 3 to the end, and that's it. So you can do this for any Postscript printer as long as you've got the PPD file, and it's a great way of printing to different trays. Give it a try.